Welcome to 1933 Woodlore in beautiful South Toledo, a meticulously maintained home that blends comfort, charm, and modern updates throughout. Step inside to a spacious and inviting layout featuring a formal living room, dining room, and a warm family room. The remodeled kitchen is sure to impress with tile backsplash, decorative countertops, stainless steel appliances, a double oven, gas range, coffee bar, and a porcelain drop-in sink. Enjoy easy access to the backyard with the vinyl patio doors featuring internal blinds, perfect for morning coffee or evening gatherings outdoors. The cozy family room is highlighted by a decorative brick wood-burning fireplace, built-in shelving, and rich flooring with decorative beams overhead. Extra space, you say? You'll love the versatile computer room complete with closet storage and stylish flooring, ideal for working from home, a wet bar, or as a creative space. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and carpeted flooring. The additional full bath features updated vinyl flooring and a beautifully tiled shower, offering a fresh, modern touch. This home also features a spacious primary suite with a walk-in closet and a private full bath. The Everdry waterproof basement adds even more confidence and value. Step outside to your own private retreat, partially landscaped with a tranquil koi pond, a hot tub, and plenty of room to relax or entertain. Enjoy peace of mind with vinyl windows and siding, a newer roof and kitchen approximately 10 years old, plus a hot water tank and AC system updated within the past 5 years. With its move-in ready condition, thoughtful updates, and undeniable curb appeal, 1933 Woodlore in South Toledo is a gem, and you don't want to miss it. Schedule your private showing today. You can reach me at 419-367-2667 or Eddie at eddieshometeam.com.